The first question to ask when you are evaluating information sources is who. What person or organization wrote this? Whose voice is heard and whose voice is not heard? You should always know who has written the information you are reading. What authority do they have to write what they have written? Why are they considered an expert on the subject they are writing? For example, an author may be an expert in economics. Therefore, they have authority on what they have written about this topic. On the other hand, they may also write about medicine, a subject that they are not experts on. In this instance, their authority is less because they are not experts in the field of medicine. Sometimes this can be confusing because they may continue to have authority since they are well-known experts for economics, and this authority blends into other subjects that they are not experts on. When you are considering who is writing the information you are reading, also consider whose voices you are hearing. For example, an article on poverty written by a journalist may discuss the census numbers on poverty, but does it talk to people who live in poverty or doctors who treat people who suffer from illnesses brought about by poverty? We tend to think of the written word as authoritative, when in fact it may be one person's idea or opinion. Authority also depends on the context. An economist may have authority to talk about poverty in one sense, but a person living in poverty has another kind of authority based on lived experience. The important thing to know is what kinds of sources are appropriate for your purposes.